Welcome back, fellow YouTube explorers. Today, we're taking a wild ride into the heart of one of the hottest tech companies out there, Arista Networks. Strap in because we're about to unpack some serious numbers and metrics that'll blow your mind and leave you itching to invest. Let's kick things off with a bang, shall we? Picture this. Arista Networks has been smashing records left, right, and center, with a price-to-earnings ratio TTM of 43.84. But wait, there's more. Over the last 5 years, they've been averaging a jaw-dropping 32.70. Talk about consistency in the face of chaos. Looking ahead to the future, Arista's forward price-to-earnings ratio is a tantalizing 33.71. It's like they've got a crystal ball predicting their own success. But hold on to your hats, folks. We're just getting started. Ever heard of price/earnings to growth ratio? Well, Arista's got that covered too, with a rock-solid 2.26. That's the kind of growth potential that dreams are made of. Remember that a value around 1 is when a stock can be considered undervalued. Now, let's peek behind the curtain, shall we? Insider ownership stands at a whopping 18.37%. When the folks on the inside believe in the company this much, you know you're onto something special. But wait, there's more. Arista's return on equity is a mind-blowing 34.49%, while their return on assets and return on invested capital are an impressive 24.96% and 31.31%, respectively. It's like they're printing money over there. Speaking of money, Arista's earnings per share or EPS is sitting pretty at 6.58, with a dazzling EPS next 5 years growth projection of 19.4%. Talk about stacking up those dollars. But let's not forget the past, my friends. Arista's evolution of earnings per share over the last 9 years has been nothing short of spectacular, with a compound annual growth rate of 43.28%. It's like watching a rocket launch into the stratosphere. And just when you thought it couldn't get any better, Arista's free cash flow per share over the last 9 years has been on a wild ride, with a compound annual growth rate of 42.15%. It's raining cash over at Arista HQ. Now I know what you're thinking. But what about dividends? Well, hold on to your hats because Arista doesn't just pay dividends, they reinvest all their earnings into future growth prospects. That's the kind of commitment to innovation that sets them apart from the pack. With an operating margin of 38.52% and a profit margin of 35.62%, Arista is firing on all cylinders and leaving the competition in the dust. Let's take a trip down memory lane, shall we? Over the last 8 years, Arista's revenue and earnings have been on a meteoric rise, outpacing even the most optimistic projections. It's no wonder their market price has been skyrocketing, obtaining a total return greater than VO during the last 5 years. But don't let the numbers scare you. With a debt-equity ratio of a mere 0.01 and a long-term debt-equity ratio to match, Arista is as financially stable as they come. And speaking of stability, check out their average price return of the last 52 weeks, a mind-blowing 71.71%. It's like watching your investment grow right before your eyes. With a market cap of a staggering $93.11 billion, Arista is a true heavyweight in the tech world, with no signs of slowing down anytime soon. But here's the kicker. Analysts predict that Arista's price in the next 12 months will hit $294.73, representing a juicy 2.19% upside. However, I'm here to tell you that my fair value estimate for Arista Networks is a cool $245.56. That's right, folks, I'm calling it like I see it, potential overvaluation alert. So there you have it, folks. Arista Networks is a tech titan on the rise, with numbers that'll make your head spin and a future that's brighter than a supernova. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial adventures. Until next time, happy investing!